If you're looking for a surveillance camera which is powered by battery and can be powered by solar energy, at the same time it is connected with your smartphone, then watch this, another device from ANNKE. But before that, kindly hit that button below, like and subscribe, as well as your comments is highly appreciated. So let's unbox first. To start with is this user manual, and notice this QR code. If you scan this, you'll go directly to ANNKE's website. Or you may check their website ANNKE.com, which they offer different type of surveillance camera depending upon your preference. You may purchase by bundle, which they give good price offer. And if you wanted to purchase the same of this surveillance camera, then select the wireless surveillance camera option, then press WB400. This ANNKE WB400 wireless outdoor battery security camera is with 4 megapixel camera sensor for better quality video and with a connectivity of 2.4G and 5.8G dual band Wi-Fi. A motion detection which has a sensor capable notifying and recording. A two-way audio functions. Wherever you are, as long as the camera is connected with your Wi-Fi through your phone, you can communicate a person whoever is near in this device. Not only that, a 9,000 mAh rechargeable battery, 24/7, no worries of keeping your house monitored. Most especially, a solar-powered device keeping you safe with electricity bill. The camera can do 270-degree pan and 90-degree tilt. And to make your life easier, just a simple voice command, you can monitor your house through Alexa. I'm just hoping that one day we will be having a paperless manual since we are in a digital era now, so that we can contribute to lessen the use of paper. And because this WB400 wireless surveillance camera is powered by battery and can be recharged through a solar energy, then a solar panel is included which uses the micro USB Type-C connector. And a screws for the solar panel mount and bracket for the camera, which it is good also for concrete walls. Then a camera bracket with screw sticker guide. As well as a solar panel bracket with screw sticker guide. Then this extra Type-C charging cable. And the surveillance sticker sign, as well as the screw sticker guide for mount and bracket. And most importantly is this ANNKE WB400 4 megapixel wireless outdoor battery security camera with 9,000 mAh rechargeable battery and solar powered. So to have an overview, it has 6 infrared LED lights for a bright light footage during nighttime, as well as 4 megapixel camera lens for a clear picture of the video and a microphone in case you wanted to communicate a person within the parameter of the camera. Then a passive infrared sensor. Whenever it senses a human or a motion, it will automatically record a video. At the same time, received a notification into your smartphone and the status light. And the device information, as well as the manufacturer info. Covered with rubber lid is the reset button and the SD card slot, which it supports of a maximum of 256 gigabytes of micro SD card. So the camera can pan up to 270 degrees angle, while it can tilt up to 90 degrees angle. Just an info, the camera won't rotate automatically by following the human movement. By doing so, it must be done manually. This QR code is used to connect the device into your Wi-Fi. And of course, the speaker, which is used as for siren alarm or talking to a person whoever is near on the camera. And covered with rubber lid positioned near the camera bracket is this micro USB Type-C power port. And besides of it is the power button. So how to connect the camera into your home Wi-Fi? First, you must download this ANNKE site app and then register. And to turn on the device, slide this power button.
Please configure the network.
And a voiceover you will heard. In the app, press the Add Device. Then press Device Unit Model. Then select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password. Then wait until it is successfully connected.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
And that's it. Now you're ready to install the device wherever in your house or in your business establishment, wherever the location of the device is mostly needed. And of course, if you've purchased a bundled WB400 wireless camera, then name each camera that describe the location of each devices. Just make it sure the device is installed 2 to 3 meters from the ground to have a better accuracy of the passive infrared sensor. So let's explore the app. When it is in portrait mode, down to camera screen are buttons like Cloud Storage button, a data plan storage keeping safe the captured videos, and the Events button, which these are saves video according to its dates, and the Played Back buttons. Down a bit are the buttons for your profile, and the app serves also as an online store, which you can directly order from the app. And this button is for the settings, and besides of it are the related question if you encountered some issues. But let's take the landscape mode for a bigger screen view. This button serves as joystick, either to pan or tilting the camera, and of course, zooming in is possible. Make it sure when installing, the position of the camera must be in 2 or 3 meters high from the ground. On the top, it has shortcut buttons, like siren alarm icon. Just an advice, never activate the automatic siren function if you're living in adjacent neighbors. And most importantly, if you wanted to capture a picture or take a video manually and directly save into your smartphone, then press the camera icon or the video icon. As you notice, the video timer was starting. Then the bulb icon. Well, in this case, still an option for you if you wanted to activate the automatic function in the settings, because whenever the sensor detects a motion or humanoid, the light will turn on automatically if it is activated. And then, if you wanted to turn on the microphone of the camera to listen the noise around the area, then press the speaker icon. The phone icon. This function is like you are talking to a person by phone, but this time you're talking to a person which is near on the camera. Down of that phone icon is the replay button, which these are the saved video that was captured. These battery and the Wi-Fi icon are the indicator of the status of the device. In my opinion, the clarity of the video is great, and the pictures are acceptable. Well, 4-megapixel sensor is ideal camera resolution for residential security, small businesses, and general surveillance. It strikes a balance between high-quality detail and manageable storage/bandwidth. And here's the sample video in nighttime. So what is your thought about this ANNKE WB400 surveillance camera? Nowadays, the world is no longer safe. Protect yourself and protect your property. Monitor your property as if you are there. Invest with this kind of devices. Nothing you will lose when we will be talking about safety. And check this footage when the light was turned on. And that's it. If you reach until this part, then thank you so much. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as your thought about this ANNKE WB400 surveillance camera. See you on my next video.